Let's look at this question. What frequently causes young people to have disco accidents? Lack of experience driving after dark? Yes. Little experience with fully occupied vehicles? Yes. Distraction caused by passengers? Yes, this is all correct. Let's check. And yes, that's right. Let's move to the next one. What frequently causes young people to have disco accidents? Lack of awareness of road traffic? Yes. A defensive driving style? No, a defensive driving style is what is recommended. High readiness to take risks? Yes. The young disco accidents are caused by young people mostly, and yes, they are willing to take high risks. This is our answer. Let's check, and that's right. Let's move to the next one. 5 young friends are driving in a car to a recreational event. The mood is exuberant. To what risks can this give rise? The driver will be induced to drive slowly? No. The driver will be induced to drive in a risky manner. This might happen because of the mood setting. The driver will be distracted from the events on the road. This might also happen. Yes, this is correct. Let's move to the next one. The risk of causing an accident when driving a vehicle is significantly higher for drivers aged between 18 and 24. What are the reasons frequently relevant here? Too little driving experience? Yes. Higher levels of risk readiness? Yes. They have higher levels of risks. Overestimation of own capabilities? Yes. Let's check, and these are correct. Let's move to the next one. What frequently causes younger drivers to have disco accidents? The driver failed to notice that they are overtired? Yes. The drivers fail to notice that they are not fit to drive? Yes. The drivers fail to notice that they are physically exhausted? Yes. This can all happen with young drivers. That's the correct answer, and then that's correct. Let's look at this question. What may result from taking part in illegal road races? The confiscation of the vehicle's driving license? Yes. The occurrence of serious road traffic accidents? This is also possible. The imposition of term of imprisonment on the vehicle driver? Yes. All of this can happen because road races are illegal in Germany. Yes, that's correct. Let's move to the next one. Let's look at this question. What is a normal trial period? This is covered in the theory exam. The normal trial period or the probationary period is 2 years in Germany. Yes, this is the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. A driving license applicant practices practical driving skills without a driving instructor on public roads. What should he expect if police perform a check on him? No consequences provided he is accompanied in vehicle by a holder of driving license. No, you're not allowed to do this. It's a criminal prosecution. Yes, a review of his fitness to drive on motor vehicle. There will be a review of his fitness as well to drive on motor vehicle. So both of this would happen if you are found, if a police perform a check on this person. Yes, this is the right answer. Let's move to the next one. Are drivers during probationary period allowed to be under the influence of alcohol? The answer is no. I don't have to read the options with yes. You are not allowed to drive, or you are not allowed to take any quantity of alcohol during your probation period. Yes, that's the right answer. Let's move to the next one. What should be achieved by attending an advanced seminar during probationary period? What should be achieved by attending an advanced seminar? A more considerate and risk-conscious attitude. Yes, this is achieved. Reducing the number of points in central register of road traffic offenders. No, this will not. Attending the seminar will not help reduce any point from the central register of road traffic offenders. Improves the risk awareness. Yes, that's the correct answer. Let's move to the next one. A learner driver has committed several violations during the probationary period. The authority has ordered that the driver attends a supplementary driving course. The learner driver fails to comply with this order. What can they expect? An order to attend a driver fitness session, the withdrawal of their driving license. This is the right option according to me. An extension of probation period. No, uh, I think this is the driver has committed several violations, and there was a notice from the authority which the driver had failed to comply. So this is the right answer. Yes, it is. Let's move to the next one. Who is not allowed to drink alcohol when driving motor vehicles? All drivers under 21, all drivers during probationary period. This is the correct answer. Other drivers, experienced drivers, or people or drivers above the age of 21, they can drink alcohol at a given quantity. So this is the right answer. Let's move to the next one. You're currently in the probationary period and to date have not come to the attention of the authorities. What consequence may result if you fail to observe the traffic sign, stop, give way, and thereby endanger other traffic? In order to attend an advanced seminar for new drivers, in order to revisit a theoretical driving license test? No, I think there will be an advanced seminar, and also there will be an entry into the Central Register of Road Traffic Offenders. Yes, that's the right answer. That's all with this video. I will see you in the next one.